crawling around, and then I realized that there's baby cockroaches. The worst 2 weeks of my entire year. To the floor. Moving on stuff. Let's make a transition to the last day in this house, okay?
Oh!
Hey, I'm so excited to be
Living in
this new house, and this is the first day.
This
We've
is
gotten
what-
everything clean.
Wait, this is what it looks like right now. It's pretty empty. There's no like decorations or anything.
Yeah, I'm gonna miss this place already. So sad.
Anta, Angel, say hi.
Look at what Hamza got. That looks like those big cheese blocks that you scoop the cheese. Oh my god! That's a lot. Oh my god!
What's this?
That's also key. It's enough for everyone.
Oh, I love cheese. Whoa. Hey guys.
It is just like by itself.
Wow. Hey guys, I look very tired right now because I just moved a bunch of stuff from the hostel and I'm kind of fully moved out of the hostel. Let me show you the current state. So I got a mattress today and they installed it, and then I got this desk also from the same place. It's called Chandan, so I got this as well. I love it, like the color is so nice and it has storage down, so that's good. And then I just have to like unpack everything because I have all this stuff. Yeah, and we got a mop, so I am so tired. I carried each, like this suitcase and my laundry bag filled with stuff from the ground floor. I finished cleaning and unpacking, and now I'm finished with leg day and abs, and I'm treating myself to one of these. I bought one and I opened it in front of him, and it had mold, like it was just like purple inside, and I was like, what the hell? I was unfazed. I still like grabbed another one and went for it.
I totally rebuilt the engine.
Guys, this is the first day I'm going to college from my apartment, so packing my bag. I have one rule, that is bag is never on my bed, but I've clearly broken it myself. This is the current state. Hey guys, guess what I got? Hit. I was literally going to the bathroom, and when I went to the bathroom I saw like this small black thing crawling around, then I saw another black thing crawling around, and then I realized that there's baby cockroaches. I took the squeegee and I started banging them. Oh no, I wasn't banging them. I didn't want to kill them. I just wanted to like subtly make them leave, because I saw a bunch of things on Reddit saying that like if you see 2 to 3, that means it's infested, which is probably true. So I ran. At first I was like looking at Urban Company pest control, but then I realized I'm overreacting. So I have Hit, and I'm gonna use Hit for the first time. I think I've used it before at home, definitely, but like let's see how it goes. I don't know if it's like open already. How do I use this? Damn, that was easy. If I do see another one, see the way I hit it. This kind of power is insane. Also, I have work to do, but I've been procrastinating by making a gym chart for myself of like every day, a sticker for every day I've gone to the gym or worked out. And the thing is, I wanted to do this since January, but then I never like got the time. So I just put a bunch of random stickers knowing that I've gone to the gym these many days. And now I'm going to go through my chats with Angel and see every day we've said gym to each other on the days that we've gone to the gym. So then by that I'm going to know and mark it. This is not even like the amount of days I've gone. I've gone a bunch more than this. I was just working and then I look at the top of the building outside and there's like a crow during the rain and thunder and lightning, and it's insane. It's insane. Gym over. Now we have Sindhutai, which is like NGO jury tomorrow. So whatever work we did for the NGO, we have to display. So I'm gonna go print some stuff, and like we really did a lot of jugaad in the last 3 days for this. And we had to like make a fake calendar saying we did it over 6 months. So 6 months of work in 3 days is what I'm gonna print right now. So I've gotten Eat Club chocolava cake and one of their paneer salads. And today on my on my spam account story, I put my referral code and I asked people to use my referral code for Eat Club because I gave Rahul the referral code and ever since he keeps ordering, I keep getting discounts. I got this and this for 180 and this is massive. I'm not going to be able to finish this.
Come in pairs, but Kit Kats also traditionally come in 4, don't they? In fact, I'd say the standard Kit Kat is the 4.
Hey guys, we have our NGO jury now and look how many people are there, okay? We are just like 2 people and we are in the big organization. So we're going to be at the end. Reveal how many people. Whoa. And by the way, there's a jury taking place there. Then are we after 1 more group. So, 2 more groups. 1.5. Yeah, and we realized a lot of errors. Show the error. It's back to front. Wow, secret. Guys, it's over. And we did really well. 42 out of 50. You don't have to say what the 42 is out of actually. It's not bad. Guys, I have a submission at 9 o'clock and it's currently 8:23 and I've been generating images for the past, I woke up at 5. I've been generating images since 5 a.m. and I'm so sleepy, but I'm also starving. Like I'm extremely hungry and all I can think about is like having a paratha right now. But then the only ingredients I have in this house are oats. And I've eaten oats for like every day, every second. At the meal I have gotten myself. So I ordered all of this from Udupi. I was starving, okay? I have never ordered from Udupi ever. It's really close to here actually. Guys, this is today's breakfast and lunch. All within 200 rupees. I have got Ashika to the gym with me today. Show your gym fit. Wow. Sexy.
I'm extremely nervous but excited.
Okay, we just did shoulder press. Now we're gonna do shoulder press with rod. Good.
चिकन मस्त आहे ग माझ्या तोंडात पाणी सुटलं
Hello, Ma. We have with special help from full help from Riddhi.
Help? Full help from me and Megan fully made my Riddhi.
So hot.
Are you exporting? What is that? Put some gravy, no? Wait, I have put it's like
Put a
inside.
kimono.
Hurting deeply inside.
शाम में थोड़ा सा इसको ना ऐसे कर देता है.
हम ना ऐसा ही एक प्लेट में खाते हैं चपाचप. Okay, let's eat.
That's so fucking hot.
Oh, I can't wait to eat.
Oh my god, I tasted a little bit taste though. Okay, just go for it, guys.
Yeah, fuck it, we ball. Don't. Can you believe a person who did? भाई जो खाता नहीं था उसने बना दिया है. अब मैं क्या ही बोलूं. चुपचाप खा ले.
Okay, guys.
Wow.
I'm finishing it all.
Come here.
Just be careful. No. Rishabh will fall.
How am I not shooting?
Be careful.
I want like a long stick or something. वो डंडा भी वो वाला डंडा.
Did biceps yesterday and then I couldn't lift 7.5 as easily as I normally do, and then I had a crash out and I did multiple sets of as many as I could. It was so bad, now I'm so sore, but like I was basically ego lifting to compete with myself.
How are you feeling?
Oh, are you recording? Oh
Yeah, I'm recording.
Feeling terrible. I'm feeling so bad. I feel like killing myself.
That's plus one.
I feel really
I think you
bad.
should not say
guys.
this before the shooting.
I feel really bad.
No, I won't.
I'm not even thinking about
I
this.
won't even.
This girl is gonna get full marks.
So it's again that time of the month where Megan is recording. Do you think it will go?
It should. Realistically.
Should I?
Based on your skills as an athlete.
No.
If you don't get this, you're fucked for jury tomorrow.
So fat, 90 kilos. Can't even breathe. Oh my god, I'm suffocating. You're so fat. When I cry, my nose cries more than my eyes cry, and so I be honking like an elephant too.
Guys, I have jury in 30 minutes. No, in an hour. My lips are so glossy. I got the Dot and Key Cocoa Mint, but the new one because my old one is expired and I was still using it. I'm so stressed. Yesterday's jury went like really badly. Like really badly. Public humiliation. Oh my god, this is so glossy. Public humiliation badly. Okay. And the only thing I've done to prepare for this one is watch Stephanie Sue. So I kind of gave up. I've been having genuinely the worst 2 weeks of my entire year. Like the worst, and by far probably going to be the worst. Every single thing possible that could go wrong has gone wrong. If you see me complaining in a few months about anything, it's never that deep. Like it's never as deep as it is right now. Wish me luck. Let me show you what I have. It's my Tulips rebrand and I haven't even read through it or anything, but I'm gonna figure it out.
Wow, Megan, wow. Thank you.
Oh my god.
Do not give up. Never give up. Never give
Maybe
up.
next time. Look what I just found. I found this photo on Pinterest, then I put this low opacity. And then this was like some Lily image I found. And this font, I put Gaussian blur. Bro, it looks like so flowy, right? So, hey guys, next jury. Malda jury went kind of bad also. But now I realized I don't have my hall ticket because I left it with Neha after we finished the previous jury. So I'm gonna collect it. I'm gonna document my process making this model because I might actually lose my mind being alone. I tried to open this bottle of water and it exploded everywhere. Like it exploded all over. Like you can tell all I've been doing is going to the gym and not doing my work. But I went to the printer, okay, today in the morning that I kind of usually go to, and the print that I got was like really dark. And then I felt like it was his fault, like it was the print fault and not my fault. I had to reprint anyways, so I just went. And I went to him first. I was planning on going to another store because I had a feeling that his print was coming darker. But then I just entered. You know when you plan to do something but you don't do it? Yeah. So I went to him and I printed this. And I look at it and I'm like, this is not the color I want. Like, I do not want blue, I want purple. I'll insert the original image. Walking, because I have to buy water to drink, right? And then I thought, okay, might as well step by the other store. Instead of settling, maybe I should see whether it's not my fault, it's their fault. Purple! I'm so glad. I've been learning how to play the ukulele. And I learned creep. My friend Rahul kind of taught me creep. But I'm getting so close to my goals, you know. Actually trying, which I'm proud of. And if I do this assignment well and I get a good GPA, that's one thing of my 2026 goals. Plus, I got a call from an internship today. And he called me when I was at the gym. And then I was like, hey, I'm Megan, interested in hiring me, but he just wants me to do a task. And I said, I have an exam tomorrow. Can I do it later? He was like, sure, you can do it on the 27th. I'm going to be in Mumbai on the 27th. So, I'm going to be doing that task. And I have to finish this model. I don't know how architecture students do it because I'm losing my mind. And I do feel like, I don't know if I explained the situation before, but I'm using this glue. It's called Flex Quick, and it's the only thing that's sticking the foam board. The problem with Flex Quick is that it sticks everything. Like it stuck my fingers together. It sticks things so fast. And yeah, Flex Quick, right? So I had to be careful because initially when I started this assignment, I stuck it to the floor, and you can see the large chunk that's like out of there. The assignment got stuck to the floor, and I already had made majority of the model, so I had to rip it and scrape it off the floor. And I just knew, like, you know, I'm not going to even be able to complete this model. Everything's been going badly, like genuinely everything has been going terribly the past week, and I want to change that. The induction blew the fuse like 5 times today, so I can't use induction, so I can't cook. So I've just ordered mushroom masala and paratha from Eat Club, but I've been eating primarily Eat Club. Even though I said I would cook, like I can't. Like it's difficult, okay? It's a bad time. For the assignment, for the first 2 juries, she basically told me all my concepts were wrong. Everything had no basis, and I didn't do anything properly. So I was kind of after those that this one is the one that does it, because it's a group assignment and I'm doing it alone. Okay, give me some credit. I'll see you once I get my food because I'm feeling very lonely and you need to be there. This is a check-in. I did not do anything. I cut this much. I video called Liana and Rahul just now in the span of 10 minutes. So not much improvement, but we are getting there eventually. I look like a mess right now. And I'm waiting for my order. Why is it taking so long? You know what I mean? Also, that show, The Beef. I don't know if it's what it's called. It's called Beef something. But I want to watch it. So when I eat, I'm going to watch it. So maybe this model will happen a bit later on in the night.
That's fucking weird.
And then sued Drake, allegedly. Yeah.
Crazy.
Now, I don't know the details of what kind of unholy activities were conducted in Bobby's